Today we live in an era in which we're all advised to maintain social distancing and to avoid coughing, or at least wear a mask so that if we do cough, the particles don't infect other people. Well, there's another way to avoid spreading cough particles, and that is to simply stop the cough. And how can you stop the cough? Well, some people might have a pill that they take, or try to suppress it, but eventually things come out. So if you want to simply stop the cough as quickly, there's a point that's very easy to reach. It's right in this area of the throat. The point is called REN 22, and it's above the sternum and in between the collarbones. So if I go back and forth, the collarbones are here, and if I just am on the skin, I can feel a little vibration from my talking, but as I go in deeper, I can feel that vibration going down my finger more. So I know that I'm getting to the important point that stops a cough. And if I feel like I'm going to cough and my finger's just resting on the skin, I can feel a pressure feeling against my finger. And that is the spot that will stop the cough. So that if I feel I'm going to get a cough and I just press like this, I feel this calming feeling coming and the cough just stops. You don't have to press hard, just enough, and you'll feel a calming sensation come throughout your coat, your throat, and your lungs, and you can stop a cough. Yes, there's a point for that.